to discover the top data analytics project that will define 2025. These projects don't just push boundaries, they are shaping the future. From transforming healthcare to securing financial transactions, data analytics is paving the way for innovation in almost every industry. So let's dive in and explore these game-changing projects. Hi and welcome to Analytics Insight, your trusted source for all the things tech and data. So let's dive into our list. Number 1, predictive analytics for e-commerce personalization. Imagine a world where every online shopping experience feels like it's tailored just for you. Predictive analysis is making that possible. This project uses data from purchase history, borrowing patterns, and engagement metrics to personalize recommendations, optimize pricing, and ultimately boost customer satisfaction. E-commerce giants are already investing in this technology to stay ahead of the competition, and 2025 will be all about perfecting these models to transform online shopping. Number 2, healthcare data visualization for patient outcomes. Healthcare is becoming more data-driven, and this project focuses on creating interactive dashboards to track patient data over time. These dashboards will help analysts visualize trends in recovery rates, treatment effectiveness, and resource allocation, empowering healthcare providers to make better, faster decisions. With improved data visualization, doctors and administrators can offer more personalized and efficient care benefiting patients and the healthcare system as a whole. Number 3, energy consumption optimization. As energy needs grow, so does the importance of sustainability. This project involves analyzing data from smart grids and IoT devices to understand energy usage patterns and predict demand. With these insights, energy providers can optimize resource distribution, cut down costs, and enhance sustainability. By predicting peak usage times, this project will help drive energy efficiency and support a greener planet. Number 4, fraud detection in financial transactions. Okay, so financial fraud is evolving, and this project is all about staying one step ahead. Machine learning models are being developed to analyze transaction data, spot suspicious patterns, and detect fraud in real time. This is crucial for protecting both businesses and customers. As online transactions continue to increase, expect fraud detection technologies to become more sophisticated in 2025. And finally, number 5, supply chain optimization for sustainable practices. This project leverages data analytics to improve supply chain efficiency and reduce environmental impact. By examining transportation, production, and inventory data, analysts can create strategies that minimize waste, streamline logistics, and promote sustainable practices. As more companies prioritize sustainability, supply chain optimization through data analytics is becoming an industry standard. So friends, that was our top 5 list. If you're excited about where data analytics is headed in future, then don't miss out our future videos and subscribe to Analytics Insight for more updates in data, tech, and beyond. I'll see you in the next one.